You're welcome once again to iTech, and thank you for watching this video. Now finally the CSSPS portal is live now. So as you can see, this is the portal and it's live now. The placement checker is on, so you can check your school placement now. Okay, so you need to follow these steps in order to check your placement. But before you can check your placement, you need e-voucher that contain the serial number and the pin to also get you to check your placement. So you have to follow these steps. First one, you need to enter your 10-digit number, 10-digit index number, followed by the year of the examination or the year that you completed. So we are checking for 2023. So you enter your 10-digit number, then you add 2023 to it. The next option, the next stage is to enter the e-voucher pages. So you enter the details on the e-voucher and then enter the voucher pin code. So this is how it's like. So the first option here, you are to enter your index number here and then your e-voucher code, that is 10-digit voucher number. You enter it here, and then after that you enter the pin code also here. Then after entering the pin code, the next thing that you have to do is to just hit on proceed, and your result and your placement or your school is just going to be given to you. So this is how you can check your placement for this year 2023. Please, if you need a voucher, just contact the number on the screen.